Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at verbs, which follows on nouns that we did previously. Nouns are people, places, or things. And today we are looking at part 4 of the actions that we can do to the people, places, and things that we already covered before. I really hope that this can help you in some way. First, we will look at spell. So, in the noun section, we covered letters, and these are all letters. So, your letters that you probably know are like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the whole alphabet. So, in this section, if you want to spell a word, which is to say or to sound out a word, then you spell it. So you are doing an action to the letter to form a word or words with the basic letters in the correct order. So here, if I tell you to spell antiseptic, then you will say Antiseptic. That's spelling. So antiseptic, spell it for me. And then you will start Antiseptic. That's spell. Next one is found. Found is the past form of find and to bring something into existence. If you see it, you find it. So at the moment, we can see what's behind me, but we cannot see what's on my table. But now that I show you what's on my table, you find it. So I found a purple pen, a green pen, a pencil, and an eraser. They have been found. Next we have, study. So at the moment, if you are watching this video, it's a form of study. To learn about a subject by consuming information in books, from mentors, or in your environment. So because this is a video, it can be a mentor study. So you are trying to study English, and that's why you are watching this video. Next, we will have learning styles. Learning styles is to get knowledge or skill on a new subject or activity. So here, the teacher is trying to teach math, and this person is trying to give her an apple. So what can you learn from this picture? Based on her face, she seems angry. And based on his face, he seems nervous. So this is what we can learn from the picture. Next, we have add. When two or more numbers are put together for a new number or to continue your own idea to a topic. So if you say, what is 1 plus 1? It will be 2. We see two fingers, right? But if you want to contribute or add to a topic, you can tell me, oh my goodness, I know what add means. Why are you saying this to me? Next one is keep. To have and continue to have something as your own. So I keep this date calendar because one of my students gave it to me. So keep, I want to have it around me. Next we have start. Start is to begin doing something. So this man was just standing still and now he's running. Next will be thought. Thought is a past version of forming an idea in your mind. So in your head, you have some pictures or some words or some voices that are talking to you and they give you thoughts. And that is what thought means. So yesterday, I thought of making videos on certain topics. Next will be saw. Saw is the past version of see, not see with your eyes. And this person is looking at Easter eggs. So she saw Easter eggs. Turn, turn. This will be to cause a movement in a circle around a fixed point or line. So if I'm sitting here, where you can see, and I turn, then I'm turning this way, and then I'm turning that way. So that is turn. Next we have close. To cause something to stop other things from moving into or through it. So if you look here, it's close, right? You cannot move through this thing. I can move it, but I cannot go through it. So it is closed. Next we have open. So not keeping anything from passing into or through something. To open something like to open a door or to close a door. Open, close. And then next one we have begin, which, like I said before, is similar to start. Start and begin are the same two things, right? So it is similar to start. It is to start something or to do something. So I'm sitting still and then I move forward. That is to begin something. I really hope that this has helped you in some way. Enjoy your day.